we're in Dubai, and this is a bit of a special place. You may have seen a number of images or pictures that have had a road with basically the dunes taken over. But this is it. It's just outside of Dubai, in the middle of the desert, and it is quite literally a load of empty road with roundabouts. We're in a Ferrari Roma, and as you can imagine, I mean, it was obviously made and it was then abandoned. So this is it. This is basically the ultimate playground, and it goes on forever in all directions. So let's have a look to our right. But yeah, we will end up at some stage where the road will be blocked. But it is amazing here. There's already I've already seen an Aventador and a Huracan down here, so it's quite popular, but it is like literally in the middle of the desert, so there's no one here. And it is, I think, a natural conservation place. There's somebody else down there, but not a lot of people know about it. Let's carry on. Oh no, let's go right, because there's some people down there. Let's see if we can. Let's have a look. It's just a series of roundabouts, basically. Let's go right again here. But yeah, it's just off one of the. It's called Truck Road, for obvious reasons. But it is just a load of empty road.